Hey guys, here's a big old thunderstorm. Oh, that was big. I'm backing up because the storm's getting close. Oh gosh, this is crazy, guys. It's thunderstorm coming from the southwest. It's not right. It was rumbling really hard over there. It was huge. I saw lightning there. It's starting to get windy. Storm's heavy. Got some thunder. Oh, that was over there. That was over there. Yeah, I missed it. Yeah, there's you. I'm gonna get some lightning on camera. I don't know if I'll get lightning, but I don't. It'd be rare, or not rare, but I want to get some lightning on camera. Stupid plants. Oh, I can see the part of it, the edge right there. Guys, this thunderstorm's mature. It's building. Earlier, I saw a big old cloud about up there.
I'm lucky I didn't have that problem.
It's mature.
Well, yeah, but I mean, she has a problem. But I mean, Tracy is Tracy, and
I am gonna probably go in as soon as this thunderstorm gets closer, or the lightning gets more dangerous. I don't know where the lightning is.
My day?
I keep hearing the thunder over here. Here's the big old blob of it right here. It's coming all around us, so we're pretty much doomed.
I told her, I said, you manipulate it.
Oh.
I talked to her on the phone because Wally can't see Grandma, they can't see Dad.
Man, I don't know what's going on over there. I don't know. Starting to thunder real, right over here. It's like about, ooh, I think that was over-exaggeration. I don't know if that was lightning or not, but. Yep, there we go. Some lightning. Yep. There we go. There we go. We got some thunder. There we go. I'm not usually out here during thunderstorms, but I just want to get this on camera. Oh. I'm not kidding. It's thundering hard. It's over here. It's moving. It's still thundering. Oh. Okay, guys, I just had a flash of lightning. I don't know. I think it was over there. I missed it. No, I'm on camera. I'm on camera.
Yeah, he's like CJ. He's in the weather.
Oh yeah, he's gonna grow up and be our other weather man.
We got one of us. It's a family thing.
It must be.
Well, your daddy runs from it. I guess that's why all of y'all say the hunt things out.
There's like fireworks going over that way, but real action's going on over over here, over here.
Y'all investigate.
I can't really hear the thunder. Not really. Let's see. Ooh. I don't know if that was lightning or not, but I'm going to check the camera for a little bit.
Well, Harold,
Yeah, it's over here.
took their yard last week.
My main focus is right here.
I said, well,
I'm gonna be backing up, like backing up each time it like rumbles, cause that's just the sign of. Well, I know it's heading this way, but I looked on the. Oh crappity do that.
I told him to be careful on
Wow, who's driving? Oh, it's grand.
the vacuum cleaner.
Now, what you don't understand is too, you're gonna go over the same car.
Oh yeah, there we go. There's the real. That's the back. That's the man. Hey, shoot.
Yeah, he was over there going, "Don't slow down." But that bad thing about
If
that
I
day,
back
he
up,
had
probably
to-
I
he
probably
had
get
to
some lightning.
run. Oh, that just made it
Cause it's thundering over here.
They have their issues with Harold.
Yeah, probably if I stand right here, there's probably gonna be like some lightning somewhere.
I said, they take your Rob shot back up.
What I'm saying, they said he put a thing on there.
Oh crap.
That shop vac, put that stocking thing on it. That says Harold.
Oh gosh. Oh, I don't need no warning. Stupid battery. I can't stay out here for long. My battery's about to die.
Yeah, it was, man. It wasn't got head enough, not enough air going through it.
That was a tow wagon.
There wasn't no bike. There wasn't no bike on
There we go.
there. See what wrong with it?
That's the man.
That toboggan is not as
That's the man right there. There we go. I'm backing up so I can see. There's lightning behind these trees, most likely. Oh, that was not lightning. That was just some stupid fireworks. Well, TT,
CJ knows.
TT,
Well, he ain't had
TT.
time to, or he would have been doing it too. But he ain't got time.
we're under a special weather statement.
What is it?
It's for this.
I know, but what are they saying?
They're saying dangerous thunderstorm with frequent lightning.
Yeah, change them under no rain marker. But yeah, I'll start my vacation when it starts raining. 'Cause it rains up today.
Guys, if y'all can hear that thunder, y'all can't. Oh gosh. I gotta see how much my phone is. 8%. I can't stay out here for long. Oh man, I'm gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be mad if I miss this. If I miss most of this. So here's the whole thunderstorm. It's coming all around us. I don't know why it's coming from this way. Normally it can just come straight. It's coming diagonal ways. Oh. I see a thunderhead. I see a thunderhead. If y'all see that right there, that's a cumulonimbus, or a part of the cloud, the light, not the lightning, but the thunderstorm itself. It's thundering something back this way. What? I'm over here.
I'm going in. You want to come in?
I'm probably gonna go on over there.
Okay. Better get out of the yard before it starts lightning real bad.
It's not lightning currently, it's just thundering.
No.
Alright guys, I gotta take shelter.
I thought that's where he was going, but it's not. Bye.
Bye.
Be over there directly.
Alright. Alright guys, I gotta go. Alright, bye.